Welcome to our guide on how to unlock all map fragments in Elden Ring. These map fragments reveal the vast and beautiful world you'll explore. Understanding map fragments is crucial for your journey. They help you navigate, locate key areas, and plan your exploration effectively. Elden Ring is divided into several expansive regions. Familiarizing yourself with these areas will make unlocking map fragments easier. Next, let's dive into how you can find these map fragments scattered throughout each region, including hidden paths and landmarks. Let's start with Limgrave. Pay attention as we walk through a step-by-step guide on unlocking this region's map fragment. In Caelid, the environment can be treacherous. I'll share some tips and tricks to successfully find and unlock this map fragment. Now, let's discuss Liurnia of the Lakes. Here's the detailed process to acquire the map fragment in this beautiful area. The MT Gelmir region holds many secrets. I'll provide some strategies for locating map fragments while navigating its challenges. Finally, we'll cover how to unlock map fragments in the consecrated snowfield and the surrounding areas with ease. By unlocking all these map fragments, you can maximize your exploration and fully experience the wonders of Elden Ring.